Hi, we're here today to discuss Bill Attitude and what's been going on with him lately. He's been having a little bit of a problem with making fun of the boy with the pink hair that's going to our school right now. Um, right now, we have Bill's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Attitude, here. We also have the school social worker, who is Mrs. Blue. We have also the vice principal, Mr. Black, as well as the gen ed teacher, Mrs. White, and the special ed teacher, Mr. Red. We are looking into what's going on with Bill and trying to figure out a good solution for how we're going to deal with him teasing another boy. First, we're going to focus on his strengths. Bill is very outspoken. He'll definitely say what he's thinking and feeling. He's also very pragmatic and can work with others whenever it's necessary to accomplish a goal. Lately, though, the operational definition of his target behavior right now is he has been telling another boy that he looks weird, and that's because he has pink hair. He will also yell out pink hair, whenever the boy's in sight. This has occurred 3 different times and lasts for about 2 minutes each time, with the intensity increasing. The other students and staff will make disparaging remarks to and about Bill. A non-example of this would be if Bill called out to the other boy but instead said something nice like, "I love your hair." This usually occurs when the students have free time, for example, lunch or recess or passing periods. It is usually just Bill and the other student involved. The other kids don't seem to be getting involved. The relevant events that take place prior to this target behavior is just that Bill sees the boy with the pink hair. Bill's consequences seem to be that he gets a lot of attention from his peers when he does this. Some of the environmental factors that go with this is just the visibility of the boy with the pink hair. Also the diversity in hair color among all the other students in this school. A hypothesis of Bill's behavioral function is that Bill has been telling this other boy that he looks weird because he has pink hair. He will also yell out pink hair, when the boy is in sight. This has occurred 3 different times and lasts for about 2 minutes each time, with the intensity increasing. Bill does this, it seems, to get the attention of his peers. The target behavior that we want to focus on today is that Bill has been telling this boy that he looks weird because he has pink hair. Also that he keeps yelling out pink hair, when the boy is in sight. We want to use Bill's strengths, which are that he is very outspoken and he will say what he's thinking and feeling. Also that Bill is very pragmatic and can work with others when necessary to accomplish his goal. The hypothesis we've come up with as a group for Bill's behavioral function is that he has been telling this boy that he looks weird and due to the pink hair, and he will also yell out pink hair when the boy is in sight. And he's been doing this in order to gain the attention of his peers. So far, what we've tried is the Tier 1 and Tier 2 interventions, but they have not been successful in changing this behavior. Some of the replacement behaviors we'd like to come up with is using Bill's goal of gaining the attention of his peers. We will work towards adjusting this behavior by giving Bill other ways of getting attention without hurting another student's feelings. One of Bill's strengths is being outspoken, so that is a strength we will focus on. We will have Bill learn how to be more outspoken in class by answering questions posed by the teacher and participating more when doing group work. He will also work with his classroom teacher to have more opportunities for Bill to do oral projects. By doing this, Bill will gain the attention from his peers, but it will be in a more positive way and for more positive behaviors. Unfortunately, we cannot adjust his environment much. He will have to learn to be more tolerant of differences by using the replacement behaviors we are working towards. By focusing more on using his outspoken traits academically, Bill will hopefully develop a change in attitude towards tolerance by gaining the attention of his of his peers for academic skills rather than anything else. By opening his mind to this, we will see a difference in his attitude and behavior towards others. Bill will also begin behavior therapy to work through these issues. Every time Bill displays the desired behavior of controlling himself and using his skills positively, it will be acknowledged that he did so. He will be complimented for displaying desired behaviors. Bill will receive disciplinary action every time he bullies someone. He will receive a detention each time. If Bill takes his bullying to a higher level and hurts his victim, EMTs might be called. The intervention will be successful if Bill stops bullying other children and is able to control his temper within 6 weeks. We will keep track of Bill's behavior through charts and observations as well as Ames Web. The supervisor will publish the reports daily and Ames Web reports weekly.